Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be assembling this little Panzer. For the clipping part of it, there's actually a little bit of supports underneath these guns. So you just want to be very careful getting them cut. Alright, so the little guns have been cut. Now it's time to glue this whole thing together. First of all, take some glue and let's put that on the edge here. There you go. Then take this and like this. First try. So you see how that went down. While that's drying a bit, I'm going to dab a bit of glue here. There you go. And let's take this. First try again. No. So there's the little turret and now the tracks. So put some glue on the sides here. And then, let's take what you want to do, hold this track like this, try to figure out how to hold it here, and then basically, there you go. About like that. Then put the other tracks the same way. Alright, so now it's good. Then I'm putting the little turret there. There's the little Panzer, available at miniaturetanks.com. Or check the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.